In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Outlook. This is a super useful feature that automatically adds your contact information, job title, or any custom text to the bottom of your emails. Whether you're using Outlook for work or personal use, having a professional signature saves time and makes your emails look more polished. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and click on New Email to start a new message. You don't need to send this email, we're just using it to access the signature settings. Once the new email window opens, look at the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find various tools for customizing your emails. In the Insert tab, locate and click on Signature, then click on Signatures from the drop-down menu. This will open the Signatures and Stationery window where you can create and manage all your email signatures. In the email account list, at the top, select the email account you want to add the signature to. This is especially important if you have multiple accounts connected to Outlook. Next, under the section that says Select Signature to edit, click on the New button if you haven't already created a signature. If you already have signatures, you can click Add a Signature. A small window will pop up asking you to name your signature. Give it a descriptive name like work, personal, or anything that helps you identify it later. Click OK to continue. Now you'll see the Edit Signature box in the middle of the window. This is where you'll type and format your signature. You can include your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, or even a website link. Use the formatting tools above the box to change fonts, colors, add bold or italics, and adjust alignment. You can also insert images like your company logo if needed. Once your signature looks the way you want, scroll down to the section called Choose Default Signatures. Here, you can set this signature to automatically appear on new messages by selecting it from the New Messages drop-down. You can also choose to have it added to replies and forwards by selecting it from the Replies/Forwards drop-down. After you've made your selections, click OK to save your signature settings. Now close the new email window you opened earlier. You don't need to send it. From now on, every time you compose a new email or reply to a message, your signature will appear automatically at the bottom. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature in Outlook. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.